In this video, we'll be air frying some juicy Wagyu steak. Thank you to Govee for kindly giving us the smart meat thermometer. Today, my dad and I made Wagyu beef with the smart meat thermometer we've received from Govee. The package contained the thermometer, an instruction sheet, and the batteries. It also has one meat probe. You could easily pull open the high chit and put the 2 batteries inside. You had to press the red button to turn it on, and use the minus and plus buttons to change the set temperature. After plugging the cable in, the thermometer was good to go. You'll need the Govee app, which you can easily find by searching Govee in the Apple Store or Google Play Store. Choose to add a device and find the correct one. Once you find it, click it, and you should be able to find your device with Bluetooth. After updating it, both the meat thermometer and the app are ready to use together. Turning on device safety is optional, as it will prevent your thermometer from connecting to any other device. You can also use the app to convert between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Now that the thermometer was ready, we unpackaged the Wagyu beef. Each steak was approximately 550 grams and 2 to 3 centimeters thick. We'll be using the grill blade to air fry this steak. Set the temperature to 200 Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Rub half a teaspoon of oil all over the Wagyu steak. Make sure to do it on both sides. Insert the meat probe into the steak. And then you can place the meat inside the air fryer. We're going for a medium rare, so we set the temperature to 54 to 60 degrees Celsius. Using the app, you can monitor the temperature, and don't forget to flip it. The machine will ring when it reaches the set temperature, and you can take your meat out. Let the steak rest before eating. We cut our meat into thin slices, but you don't have to. If you want to learn more about the Govee meat thermometer, there'll be a link in the description. Sprinkling salt to add to the flavor. Yum! And now for the taste test. In my opinion, that's a nice medium rare steak. The taste of the Wagyu steak is just amazing with a little bit of salt. I do apologize for my dad's loud chewing. The meat was really good, and overall, this product gets a 5 stars in my book. You can check the description for more information about the thermometer. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks!